cute. Look at you. Really nice. Very beautiful. I love it. I love it. Very nice. Hello guys, so this is our beautiful project. As you can see, that is really nice. I love it. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and hope you like this video. And if you do, please hit that like button and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you will get notified every time I will post a new video. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.